Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you payable, what is payable, when to use it, how to use it, and all of that. So basically, when you're writing a contract and you want to be able to receive payments or money in that contract or ETAs in that contract, you want to consider adding the payable keyword. Or you want to have the ability or the functionality whereby you can handle transfer to other recipients outside of your contract and all that, even within and outside the contract. Anything, payments, transfers, you pretty much would want to consider using payable. So for an account to be able to handle payments, that account needs to be a payable account. So what do I mean by that? Let's see them in action. So basically, I'm just going to walk you through these lines of code. So if you look at this particular owner is a payable owner. So that means this owner can make payments and can also receive payment. And this contract, the constructor is also payable. Now, if you take a look at these deposits, with this deposit, there's nothing inside, but you can pretty much deposit fund to this particular contract. And for the withdrawal, so what we are doing here is that on this line 16, we are checking the balance of the smart contract. And on line 19 and 20, we are performing the transfer. So we are performing the transfer of funds from the smart contract to the owner of the contract. So this owner is the person that is going to receive the fund. So we are actually going to transfer the entire balance of the smart contract to this owner. That's what this withdrawal is doing. In a normal production contract, you want to add some more check to this particular withdrawal function so that not anybody can just go ahead and call the function and things like that to avoid issues, because this can reentrancy can actually happen with this. Somebody can actually change the owner to another owner, and then transfer will still happen to the new owner and all that. So to avoid that, you need to do some proper check. Then for this transfer, we are going to transfer fund to another person, another recipient. So basically, we are just passing the wallet address of that person here, and then we are putting it here, and we are calling, and we are sending it to the person using message.value. Now let's take a look at the two contracts, the two functions again. So here you are seeing that we are getting the amount here, and then we are passing it here. So with this, we didn't have to add payable to it, since we are passing it inside this value and we are not using the message.value. Whenever you are using the message.value in your contracts, always ensure to add payable, because if you don't, you are going to run into error. So I'm going to comment on this because this check is needed. So this is for us to be able to check if the particular user that wants to make this transfer have enough fund equal or greater than the amount that they want to transfer. So that is what this check is doing. So basically, this function will withdraw the fund from the smart contract to the owner, and this one will transfer to somebody else, and this one will transfer deposits to the smart contract. So let us see them in action. So I just deploy the contract. As you can see, the balance on the smart contract is 0, but we can change that by making it, let me add 1 in front of this. So let me just make it 10. So right now the balance here is 69. So going to change to 59. Why this one will increment to 10. So this is now 10. So since in our withdraw function we want to transfer the money to this person, the deployer of the contract, we can pretty much do this. So like I said, there's no proper check here. So that means any other person can call this function. So, but based on the fact that the address that is placed here is the owner's address, is the owner that is going to receive the payment, but any other person can actually call this function. So I will call the withdraw function, and then this is back to 0, and this has been transferred back to the owner. So now let's deposit some fund. So we are going to make deposit to this second person here. This second person have 120 already. So let's increase their balance. So we are going to transfer some fund from the first wallet that has 69 to the second wallet. How much are we transferring? So let's transfer another 10. So by the time we are done, this will be 59. So yeah, here we go. So this is now 59 and this is now 130. So guys, that is how you work with Payable. So if you have understood this video, please do it like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, also feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will see you next time.